So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these two WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic application of variations. So guys, this video will be about just application of variations. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. Also, if you feel you want to answer any question at any point here in this video, you can pause the video and try to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So let's quickly go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, one of the use of variation is in A, determining paternity, B, controlling of disease vector, C, conservation of wildlife, D, determining the size and weight of an individual. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A, and that's determining paternity. Variation actually is a fundamental aspect of life because it results in the differences between individuals of the same species. So it can be used to determine paternity because children actually inherit genes from their parents. So genetic information from the individual can be used to confirm or disprove that the individual is the biological parent of an offspring. So that's it for that. Let's consider the next question. Question number 2 here. It says, a dairy farmer allowed only his best milk producing cows to mate. It's in succeeding generation of cows, milk production is increased. This outcome is an example of A, artificial selection, B, natural selection, C, competition, D, cross-fertilization. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's the artificial selection. Actually, in this situation, the farmer actually intervened in the breeding to produce the desired traits that he needed in the offspring. So it's not going to be a natural selection. Rather, guys, this is an artificial selection. So that's it for that question, and this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to use this opportunity to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on WAEC. So you gain access to premium information on WAEC examination. So guys, you can actually join this channel by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.